Yakwaikom, Mogadais Laylock, Kamol and Newar, and Anits Kim Morem is more, Imian Inway, and Moronkono Pumpkin, Arcada Kajimajo. Hi everyone, my name is Melanie Carvine, and I'm really excited to talk to you about learning Marshallese. I lived in the Marshall Islands for several years as a volunteer in Majro and Ebi, and I returned later to work as a teacher at Majro Cooperative School. I currently live in the DC area. I teach middle school math and English. While I was there, I was in a high immersion setting where I was speaking and teaching in Marshallese every single day, and I was helping and supporting other volunteers as they were learning Marshallese. In the past 2 years, I have been able to self-publish 3 collections of short stories, essays, and poems written in the Marshallese language. And I went through all of them, edited them, translated some of them, translated them into English, and worked with Marshallese speakers to review them to make sure that everything was legit. And in all of this, I really become interested and invested in studying the language specifically and the grammar and working on perfecting how to teach it. Because there are limited resources for language study outside of immersion, I joined iTalki so that I could share what I know. On iTalki, we'll be able to review the available materials for language study, as well as go over the materials that I've developed for learning Marshallese. Whether you are just beginning to learn Marshallese or you want to improve on the Marshallese that you already know, I look forward to talking with you. Salamat, Inas Baluyuk.